Hey guys, Alan Maris here for Palm Harbor Homes here in Victoria. I'm kind of known as the land home expert. We just closed on a land home deal yesterday, FHA loan. The land was in Wharton. We can do land anywhere in the area, Wharton, El Campo, Beeville, Victoria, but we specialize in land home deals. We're in a beautiful Cavco 32 by 68 home. It's a 4-bedroom, 2 bath, 2 living areas. Gia, could you please just kind of walk the camera around and show them this beautiful home, and then I'll meet you back here at the kitchen. So, in this home, really nice. It's spacious. It's over 2,000 square feet. But this isn't the only home we have on the lot. We have other homes that are just as nice, affordable. Not only do we do land home deals, but if you already have your piece of land, we also do chattel, home only. So come see me, Alan Maris, here at Palm Harbor Homes, or call me at 576-2171. I'll be happy to talk to you and sit down and see what I can do for you and your family.